No, Gary, my dreams are silly. Hello? No, this isn't the Birdman of Bikini Bottom. What? No, I certainly do not live in a birdcage.
Oh my god.
Who is this? Joe Mama. Well, listen up, Joe.
Bruh.
Flying is impossible. I have to go now. My head just hit the ceiling. Huh? Look at it! I think I'm flying!
Not just cartoons.
Arnold, Helga, Phoebe, Gerald, Sid, Grandpa, Stinky, Harold, SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, keep the Krabby Patties handy, Squidward, Tito, Twister, Reggie, Rocket, Otto's sister, Ginger, Hoodsy, Carl, Macy, junior high school life is crazy.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
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 Grandma sings, Paulswick rolls, Cat and Dog have separate bowls, Invader Zim and Mrs. Bitters giving Dib a case of jitters, June and Henry, Baby Dill, Angelica and Phil and Lil, Susie, Kimmy, Chucky, Tommy, all their daddies and their mommies.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons. Wanda, Cosmo, Grant, and Timmy, all his wishes gimme, gimme. Donnie, Darwin, Debbie, Mama, Liza talking to a llama. Jimmy Neutron got a blast, flying high, flying fast. Action League is in the air. The flesh ain't got no underwear.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.
Not just cartoons.
We're nicktoons.